What's up? It's Ezra here from EzraSlayton.com, and we're going to do a quick little video. I'm going to show you a little bit of income that we've got today and yesterday, and I'm going to talk really briefly about how I was able to get that income so you can go out and model what I've done and hopefully, bring in a little bit of money for yourself. So today, 8:07 a.m., Blue Media Ventures sent me $88. Blue Media Ventures is they've got a ton of different advertisers on there. One of them is Survey Junkie, and I'll talk to you about how. Actually, let me bring it up really quick. My dashboard for Survey Junkie. And I'll show you what kind of income I make with them pretty much on a daily basis these days. All right, let that one load up. Let me see, is there anything else I need to bring in? No, that's fine. All right, so this is the dashboard for that particular offer, I suppose. So far, 76 bucks for this month, right? Last month, $121. Today, $9, not bad. The last 7 days, 43 bucks. And how this comes in after if you do get approved and you can join them. If you need a referral link, let me know. I'll hook you up. But what I do to get that commission coming in is I create blog posts as often as I can. I'm up to, I think, 101 blog posts right now, and I've been doing this for the past 7 months. So I create a blog post every day. No, that's not true. I create a blog post as often as I can. People visit it every day, that's for sure. And then once they get on the blog post, there's usually a box at the top of each one. It's how to get paid for your opinion. And then down at the bottom of each blog post, you'll see, do you want to make an extra $350 a month from home by taking a survey? And then you'll see these options right here. Is my number 1 pick, my number 2 pick, and my number 3 pick. So if they click on any of those, this one in particular will take them to another page. So that helps with my SEO efforts, I guess, because I got some internal linking. But they go here, they read this, they think, oh, it's not too bad. They'll pay you some instant cash to your PayPal. Let me click on that. When they submit their email account or email address, then they'll pay me $1.50 for each person. So that is how that one works out. Okay, so if you want to get the same thing going, create yourself a blog, drive traffic to your blog. I've made videos about how to drive traffic to your blog using Pinterest. It's a great free tool for new bloggers to get traffic to their website when you're waiting on that SEO stuff to kick in, or the search engines to kick in. Okay, and the next one we'll talk about is this. Elmer Jensen sent me money through PayPal. I don't want to open it up because it might, I might dox him or something like that. But basically, you see these item 002, 002, item 002. Those are coming from let me see here now. My 7-day e-course. Let's go here. I'll click on this one. So when people are browsing my various articles, they will get a pop-up that says, hey, do you want to join my free e-course? And if they do that, it'll take them to the the blog specialist. It'll take them to a thank you page. Let me bring it up really quick. Okay, and I need to fix this one again. It looks really bad on desktop, but the majority of folks come through on mobile, so that's why it's like this. It looks good on mobile. Don't wait to start your money-making blog. Get instant access to all 7 lessons right now, just $5. And you got the little timer there, kind of give them a little bit of sense of urgency. And they can pay with card, through Stripe, or through PayPal. So that earns me $5 here and there, a couple every month. This month, let me see, we've got 1, 5, 10, 15 bucks from that this month. So there's that. And then also through the blog, you can make a bunch of other sales through ClickBank, offers, if you do reviews and things like that, affiliate marketing. There's tons of ways to make money from your blog, but just wanted to share those recent sales that I'd gotten with you guys. A few days ago, I talked to you about the 4% sale. This is a this is a recurring one. So that'll be $50 every month as long as the person stays in the program. Of course, it's not going to load because I'm recording this video, but that's pretty much it. All right, quick video. Just wanted to show some income and hopefully motivate you to, don't give up on whatever it is that you're doing. If you start a blog, stick with it. If you do a YouTube channel, stick with it. You won't get the instant gratification at all. You should know that by now if you've been in the game for a while, but if you stick with it, it's possible to start making money. All right, that's going to do it for this one. We'll see you guys on the next video. Take care of yourself. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. And let me know about the webcam in the corner. If you guys want me to stay on camera, I'll do that. But if you don't mind, if I'm not on camera, that's better for me because I don't like to be on camera. But hey, here we are. See you guys on the next video. Take care of yourself as always. Peace, love, and happiness.